Which US state has the most perfectly shaped? In the five is New Mexico. It looks like a box, but the corner is right here. Number four is Kansas. It looks like a rectangle, but the corner is right there. Number three is Utah. Looks like a rectangle, but the corner is right here. Number two is Colorado. Looks like a rectangle, but it looks like a square. And finally, each of this state with a firmly square of all. And if I minus people with all, it's Wyoming.